Hello my dear friends, I am Dr. Sahil here. Dear friends, I have part of the video to boost our body immunity. Now Dr. Baghel will discuss today regarding various nutrients and food supplying them to boost our body immunity.
Thanks Dr. Sahil Thakur. Dear friends, in my previous video regarding the boosting body immunity for human health, part 1, I have discussed regarding the basics of the body immunity, how it can be improved, what are the cells responsible, what are the organs responsible. In this video, I will discuss regarding the nutrients and the foods responsible to boost the body immunity. Among the different nutrients responsible to improve body immunity, number 1, protein. It is very important for proliferation of white blood cells, for multiplication of white blood cells, for the formation of white blood cells, because they are the part of protein. So protein is very important and it must be supplied in the proper quantity in the body, and that should be of good quality also. For better immunity, we need good quality protein along with the quantity. From plant proteins, we can get from beans, lentils, nuts and different seeds. While the animal proteins, chicken meat, very important is the broiler meat. If it is without skin, that is very good. Then fish, eggs and meat. And those who are non-vegetarian, they can get all these good quality protein from these type of animal proteins. And those who are vegetarians can get excellent quality protein from milk and milk products, that is milk, cheese, yogurt and curd. Now second important nutrient is fat. The good fat is very essential to boost the body immunity, and the good fat means it should supply large amount of omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3 fatty acids, they are very important as immunomodulator and they boost the immunity. They increase our white blood cells. Their multiplication is very fast because of the presence of omega-3 fatty acids. And these good fat can be supplied through different good quality oils, that is canola, safflower, sunflower, olive oil, cottonseed oil and even your soybean oil. Among the oils, the special reference I am giving to coconut oil, which is mostly consumed in the South India. This coconut oil we consume as coconut. It has a specialty that in the fat, in the oil of the coconut, 2 important fatty acids are there, and they are caprylic acid or lauric acid. Both these acids, caprylic and lauric acid, they are very essential for boosting the body immunity. Especially they are also acting against virus. They are antiviral. So consumption of coconut oil is also beneficial. The carbohydrate, which is the major component of our diet, that is the resource of energy as well as fiber. But for better immunity, we must consume moderate amount of carbohydrate in the moderate quantity that boost up the production of WBCs. But when we consume the large quantity of carbohydrate, then consumption of large quantity of carbohydrate that reduces the T lymphocyte production in the body and lowers the immune system. Hence we must consume the moderate quantity of carbohydrates. Among the minerals, Body requires more than 25 minerals, essential minerals for various functions. But for the purpose of boosting the body immunity, here I am making the reference of 4 minerals. They are zinc, selenium, iron and copper. They are very important to boost the body immunity. Zinc, very important. It is component of the many enzymes playing important role for proliferation of white blood cells, for multiplication of white blood cells. And in case of deficiency of zinc, the immune system becomes weaker and weaker. So zinc must be available in the large quantity. We can get zinc from different sources like milk, fish, red meat, various beans, nuts, seafoods and shellfishes like oysters. They are rich in zinc content. Selenium, another element, very important as antioxidant, that is also important for production of white blood cells, very essential for production of antibodies, and especially for the production of lymphocytes and neutrophils. Selenium is very important. It boosts our immunity. Iron, we all know, very important, very essential for production of hemoglobin and is a cofactor for various types of enzymes, responsible for respiratory enzymes, many other enzymes, and playing very important role as antioxidants. Similarly, copper. The copper is also very important for metabolic activities, for immune function, and it neutralizes the free radicals produced in the body, and even the effect of the free radicals, that is also reduced. Their harmful effect is minimized, reduced because of the copper. So these 4 elements, zinc, selenium, iron and copper, they are very important to boost our immunity. Among the vitamins, various vitamins, more than 13 vitamins are required for the body, but for the purpose of immunity, 9 vitamins are very important. 3 are the fat soluble, vitamin A, D and E, and other are water soluble. They are vitamin C, B1, B6, B9 and B12. They all play some role in one way or the other way for the multiplication of WBCs and T lymphocytes to boost our body immunity. This vitamin A, C, E and B9, they increases the production of white blood cells. Vitamin A is very essential for multiplication of lymphocytes. Vitamin C in general boosts our body immunity. Vitamin E is important for production of natural killer cells, NK cells. And vitamin B9, that is important for production of neutrophils. Thus, these vitamins, they play a very important role in the boosting of body immunity. The beta carotenes, they are the precursor for vitamin A. They are very good antioxidant. They are present in large quantity in apricots, broccoli, beets, spinach, green peppers, tomatoes, corn and carrots. Now regarding vitamin C, which is a very good antioxidant, required very much for the WBC multiplication. They are present in large quantity in the oranges, strawberries, berries, broccoli, bell peppers, tomatoes and cauliflowers. Similarly, vitamin E, it is called as natural antioxidant. It is present in large quantity in the broccoli, papaya, spinach, nuts and sunflower seeds in large quantity. Now these were the important nutrients playing very important role in the immunity. Now how they can be supplied through different feeds, through different food items, through different fruits to our body system. In general, immune boosting foods, various immune boosting foods, they are most important is garlic, almonds, beans, mushrooms, yogurt, green tea, tulsi tea, and so on. Why they are immune boosting foods? Because they are very rich in minerals and very rich in vitamins. Then second are antioxidant rich foods. Body requires antioxidant in large quantity because there is production of free radicals continuously in the body cells during the process of metabolism. And if these free radicals are not neutralized, they causes damage to the cells and they weakens our immune system. So antioxidants are must in the body to neutralize these free radicals. And antioxidant rich foods are best is broccoli, ginger, garlic, turmeric, onion, cabbage, beets, kale, spinach. They are very good source of vitamins and minerals. The green leafy vegetables, they are also good source of vitamins, very good source of iron, very good source of carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B9, that is folic acid. So besides supplying good quantity of minerals, vitamins, they are playing important role as antioxidants. Now the source for these are spinach, excellent source, amaranthus, broccoli, cauliflower, turnip, and mint. We usually consume spinach, very good quality, which is green, and that is very important for the body for increasing the production of WB cells, white blood cells. Broccoli is an excellent vegetable, excellent, having lot of nutrients and antioxidants. Besides, it contains a chemical that is sulforaphane, and this sulforaphane has very important role in the body. It regulates the production of white blood cells, and secondly, it boosts the liver cell. It boosts the activity of liver cell. It flushes out the liver cells. Whatever the carcinogens, chemicals, they are accumulated in the liver, they are flushed out, and thus our body immune system is very much improved. So sulforaphane present in the broccoli is very, very important besides various nutrients. Then other vegetables like pumpkins, yellow pumpkin, very good source of carotene. Then root crops like carrot and sweet potato, they are also rich in carotene, very much required for vitamin A synthesis in the body, and they also act as antioxidants. Then next food is mushroom, that is very rich in protein, very good source of antioxidants, and that boosts up our production of WB cells, white blood cells, and this mushroom activates the activity of white blood cells in the body. The white blood cells becomes more active, more aggressive against the antigen. And this mushroom is also a good source of vitamin D, natural source of vitamin D. The next good food is probiotics. These probiotics, they are mostly present yogurt, excellent, and curd. If it is good quality curd, it will have very good probiotics, and they improve our gut health, so that makes our metabolic system very good, digestive system very good, and they also stimulate the production of white blood cells. So this is very important And now the next ones, they are the fruits. They are the excellent source of vitamins, minerals, these fruits. And the most important of these fruits are citrus fruits. These citrus fruits, they are very rich in vitamin C as an excellent antioxidant, and this increases the production of WBCs. Among the fruits, I can say it is the citrus fruits, and they are oranges, lemon, kiwi, tomato, noni, strawberries, grapes, guava, and papaya, very rich source of vitamin C. Among these fruits, the two are very important, kiwi and noni. Kiwi is an excellent fruit, very rich in nutrient and powerful antioxidant. Similarly, noni fruit, it is mostly cultivated in the South India, but its juice is very rich in vitamin C and also in the antioxidants, and this increases the productivity of T cells and B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes in the body. So kiwi fruits, noni fruits, they are very good immunomodulator. Among the dry fruits, raisins, prunes, apricots, Indian gooseberries, red peppers, yellow peppers, they are good for our body immunity. These raisins, prunes, they are very good source of vitamins, minerals, especially iron and potassium. They are very good source of antioxidants. Among these, apricot is very important. This is rich in many minerals, rich in beta carotene, vitamin C, and just like tomato, it contains lycopene, which is an excellent antioxidant. So these fruits, citrus fruits, either dry or fresh, they are containing lot of minerals, lot of vitamins and antioxidants. They boost our body immunity. Then red meat, lean meat, certainly they are increasing our body protein. They are supplying the protein requirement. Red meat, they are the good source of minerals also, especially the zinc. Then the omega-3 fatty acids. So if they are consumed, they will boost our body immunity. Then the nuts, especially the walnut, the almonds, they are very good source, very rich source of omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, niacin, riboflavin and selenium. They are all important for boosting our body immunity. Then some seeds, especially oil seeds, they should be consumed after roasting. That will give excellent performance. And these seeds, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, essential minerals and vitamins. And they play antioxidant activity, so have very important role in the body. And among these seeds, the important are sesame, that is til, then pumpkin, watermelon, sunflower and flax seeds. They are full of, rich of antioxidants and nutrients, and they boost our body immunity. Then the special item, that is spices. We are blessed with the very good spices in the country, and these are garlic, turmeric, ginger, mustard, asafoetida, coriander, fenugreek, cloves, pepper, cinnamon. These spices, they are full of antioxidants, full of minerals, vitamins, and they are also acting as antibacterial and antiviral. That is most important. Among all these spices, the most important role for the immunity is played by the garlic. The garlic contains the active principle allicin, So this allicin is playing important role in the garlic, and that is very important immunomodulator, anti-inflammatory. So boost our immune system and give rest to our immune system both. And that is important for production of white blood cells, especially the lymphocytes and the eosinophils and the macrophages. This garlic is also very powerful antiviral agent. So these spices, they play a very important role in the body to improve our immune system. Now one superfood is there, that is wheatgrass juice. This is called as superfood and we must consume. This is an excellent superfood for improving the body immunity. This wheatgrass is very, very important for development of healthy bone marrow. And the reason being, wheatgrass juice, about 70% of it is chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll, if you see the composition of chlorophyll, it is just like hemoglobin, playing very important role as antioxidant. So besides rich source of vitamins, minerals, various enzymes, amino acids, the large amount of chlorophyll, about 70% of the wheat juice is chlorophyll, and this causes the detoxification of blood. As a detox, it works in the cells, detoxification of bloods, it cleanses the liver, cells and other tissues. So toxic material present in the cells, present in the liver, present in the body, that is eliminated, that is removed because of the chlorophyll and the other chemicals, enzymes present in the superfood, that is wheatgrass. And then very important again is green tea. It must be taken daily in the diet. Herbal tea, they boost our body immunity. And these tea, herbal tea, green tea, tulsi tea, they contain polyphenols and flavonoids. So these polyphenols and the flavonoids, they are very important antioxidants. And these antioxidants, they are important in the body to destroy the free radicals, which is causing damage to the cells. And these have antibacterial activity also. These radicals, they damage to the cells, and because of these polyphenols, flavonoids, they have increased antibacterial activity. And they increase the number of T cells. So with the increased number of T cells, the immunity boosts up. The tulsi tea is also, it is best. It has been recommended that minimum 1 cup of green tea should be taken daily. But those who are taking 4 cup green tea daily, excellent immunity will be boosted up. So these are the excellent food items, nutrients which can boost our body immunity. Now last, what we should avoid? We must avoid the processed food, the processed carbohydrates, the fried foods, the soda, the sweetened drinks, red meat and processed meat. That must be avoided because they adversely affect our immune system. So dear friends, considering the nutrients role in the mind and their presence in the food, we must have in mind to consume these food items regularly in our diet to improve our immunity and to improve our health. Thank you very much.